Just hold the paper airplane right here and make sure that the stabilizers are straight up. Fold the elevators up, hold it right at the central and throw it straight. We go to pick it up.
Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I am very excited to teach you how to make a new awesome paper airplane. This paper airplane is a new design. This is a combination of the Swallow, the F-14 and the Needle Fighter. You can see the characteristic of the Swallow on the head, but the folding will be different. With the stabilizers, the plane flies very far. To make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of US letter size paper. And now let's fold the paper in half. Make sure that all edges are lined up and just crease the style to create the horizontal center crease. Next step, open the paper, flatten it out and start from this up edge forward to the other side to create a vertical center crease. This is very important that you do not press the paper too much. Just press it down enough so that there is a crease. And then at the end of this edge, press it out to create a very clear crease. Now you have two creases on both sides of the paper. Start from the corner for straight to the crease that you just made. Basically, you fall straight to the intersection of the crease and the edge. Fold slowly so that you can fold this crease perfectly. This is very important. Once you finish this crease, open the paper, start from the upper corner, forward to the intersection of the crease and the edge. And now you can press the paper down. Make sure that the corner match with the intersection. Press it down. Next step, let's unfold the paper, flip it over and start from the upper edge forward to the vertical center crease. Just do it slowly. Once it's matched, press down the paper. Next step, let's unfold the paper, flip it over, start from both sides of the paper, match both sides of the edges together. You can see this part of the paper pop up, hold them all together, fold both layers toward the other side to create a new crease. Do slowly so that all edges are lined up and creases down. Perfect. Now, let's hold the paper up and fold to the opposite side, but make sure that all edges are lined up first. Fix the paper as you have to. Now press down the paper. Press it down. Keep pressing it down until you feel it look good. Now you can open this upper part of the paper forward to the other side to enhance the crease. Open the paper, push it down. This is basically how you do the Swallow. Press down the upper layer, make sure that the center crease match with the center crease. And press down the paper, this side and the opposite side. On the following step, let's flatten the paper first and start from the edge forward to the center crease. Once you finish with this layer, repeat the same fold for the opposite layer. Start from the edge forward to the center crease and you can press it down. Once you finish this side, repeat the same fold for the other side. Again. Now let's fold this layer to the other side and start from the lower layer. Start from the edge forward to the center crease. Creases down. Start from the other edge forward to the center crease. Press down the paper. Now open the both layers. Start from this layer first, forward to the crease that just made. Once you finish that side, repeat the same fold for the other side. Start from the edge forward to the crease that you just made. Press it down. And now, let's force one more time. Use the crease that you make earlier as a reference for both sides to the center crease, just as is shown on the video. Now start from this upper edge forward to the center crease again. This is a similar step how you fold the needle fighter. Once you finish this side, repeat the same fold for the opposite side. For this layer back, the other layer, fold back as well, and start from the edge forward to the center crease. Do it slowly, don't do it so fast. Press the paper down, make sure that all edges are lined up. Now fold this layer back to the other side. Start from the edge, forward to the center crease. Once you finish this side, repeat the same fold for the other side. Press this down and fold it. Let's look just good. Now unfold the paper. Let's start from the upper edge forward to the center crease again. Same step. Perfect. Now let's press the paper down. Make sure that you adjust the below layer first, because now there are so many layers. Once you finish this side, repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Forward to the center crease. Now it's look good. Press the paper down. Open all the layers and start from both sides of the edge. On this layer, match both sides together to create the head of the blade. Press this down. One to this side and the other side, so you can have a very firm crease. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Do you see something from here? That's exactly how you create the swallow. Make sure that both sides are even. Adjust it. Now paper is very thick with different layers, so be careful. Now it's look good. On the following step, I'm going to hold the paper up and fold this top part down so I can hold the paper all together. This is very important to have this head. So fold down, curve it, and press it down. Tada! We finished the most difficult step. I put the paper down, I press it, I will adjust the layers. Make sure that all creases are lined up. On the following step, I will fold the paper in half. I will make sure that all edges are lined up before I creases. Next step is a little bit difficult because the paper is so thick. Start from the edge, fold straight down to the bottom edge to create a wing. I will curve the paper very slowly because now if I press it so hard, I will break the paper. I will destroy the paper airplane that I spent a lot of time to make. So I will curve the head of the plane first. Curve it slowly. And once I finish this side, I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. I will start from the edge. I curve the edge of this layer until it's meet with the other layers, the edge of the other layer. So I just curve and press it down. Once I have everything in place, I do not press it so hard. I just crease it slowly. You don't need to crease it so hard, okay? Adjust the paper as you need to. This is a very difficult step. Adjust the paper. And I'll just take a look at this to see if it's look good. If it's not, then I'll keep adjusting the body of the plane. You can see the distance here at the end of the plane is about 1.5 inches. Now, this layer, we have this layer that I'm going to fold up to create the stabilizer. Alright, I'll put the paper down. I'll start from the upper edge. It is a little bit difficult to see, but there is a layer. I will curve it up and fold it. Make sure that the edge of the layer or the stabilizer is parallel with this body or the center crease. Same thing for this side. Do not fold this layer too much, okay? Just a little bit. I will hold it up so I can show you how it looks like. You can see that the edge of the stabilizer is parallel with the other edge. This is basically the central or the center crease of the plane. Now I can open both wings. I make sure that everything in place. I flatten it out and open up the stabilizers. I will do this very slowly. I will adjust the stabilizers to make sure that it stays straight up. Make sure that you fix this. If this is not in place, fix this. Just do it slowly. This is a very difficult plane, so don't do so fast. Adjust it one by one and the plane will fly very far. To ensure that the plane will fly, we need to create the elevators. So at the end of the plane, I just fold it straight up like this. And now I can flatten it out. I can adjust it when I throw the plane. If it flies straight up, I will flatten it down. If it doesn't fly up, I will force a little bit up. Alright everyone, so the paper airplane is completed. I hope that you guys enjoyed making the paper airplane along with me, and if you want to watch the flying instruction, watch it at the end of the video. I will show you guys how to hold the plane properly and throw it at the right angle, and surprisingly it flies straight and very interesting, so check it out.
Hold the paper airplane right here and throw it straight. Make sure that the stabilizers are straight up, elevators fold up, hoist at the center of the plane and throw it straight at 30 degrees. Wow, pretty cool.